Bloomfield Homes, one of the largest and most respected home builders in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex, is excited to offer its expansive lineup of homes in the beautiful community of Copper Creek in North Fort Worth. With this neighborhood, you're getting a great quality of life, and it's in a fantastic location. Copper Creek offers easy access to Loop 820, I-35W, and Highway 287, which means short commutes to major employers like Medical City Alliance, Lockheed Martin, and Bell Textron. Here at Copper Creek, you can choose from one of Bloomfield's classic series of floor plans ranging from over 1,800 to more than 3,500 square feet. Our featured home is the Cypress 2, a 4-bedroom, 3-bath design with a game room on the second level. At Bloomfield Homes, upgraded living is our standard. You get more value in every home. No builder includes more luxury standard features at the base price than Bloomfield Homes. The community is full of built-in amenities, including playgrounds, sports courts, and a community center with swimming and splash pool. You have 2 miles of walking trails winding throughout the neighborhood, as well as covered seating areas for outdoor entertainment. Students benefit from a low student-to-teacher ratio at the on-site Copper Creek Elementary School in the Eagle Mountain Saginaw ISD. And there are so many nearby options for recreation, dining, and shopping, like the Alliance Corridor, Sundance Square, Fort Worth Stockyards, Eagle Mountain Lake, and Texas Motor Speedway. Amenities, lifestyle, and location, it's all right here in this community. Come visit any of our model homes and see why Bloomfield was named Builder of the Year.